First of all, we have R1, R2, and R3, and we know the topology point of view. Each network, you can see there is a 10 network connecting to behind the R1. There's a 10.4 network is connected to R3. This is 3, this is 2. So these two common network between R1 and R2, and this is 10.3 is now common network between R2 and R3. So when you restart the router, what happened? Router only knows their own network. At least that's what you see. You see, for the connected point of view, whatever they know as a connected, you don't need to tell them because you already know this information. Okay, you already know your right neighbor and left side neighbor. Okay, so you don't need to learn any other neighbor on the outside. R1 add the 10 network available through the interface, and 2 is available through the interface 00. R2 add the, so what happened? R2 also similarly, they have the connected network. R3 also have the connected network. So as of now, when they just restarted or we have not configured any routing protocol, they do not know each other. So for example, this router R3, he only knows about 3 and 4 network. He does not know about 2 and he doesn't know about 1. Are you clear? Ali? Similarly, R2 is only know 2 and 3. He has no idea about 4 and he has no idea about 1. Similarly, R1 has no idea about 3 and 4. He only knows these connected network. Imshed? Clear? So this is initially without configuring anything, you only know your routing directly connected neighbors, directly connected network. So what happened? Discovery. We send an update. So what happened? We advertise a network, maybe in a RIP protocol or anything. We send a network about update on the 10 network 1.00 out the sales 0. So R1 has now advertised a routing protocol on R1. It sent this route to the R2 and R3. So let's see what happened. Send an update to R2 out the fast 00. Receive update on R2 for the R3 and the metric of 1. Metric means how many router you need to cross. Now what happened here? Once you receive the information from R3, you have put this into the routing table and you say, I learned this 10.3.0 from my directly connected network. Sorry, S00. And I have a hop 1. What do you mean by hop? Yeah, so you basically you say, I learned this route from R2, and because this is directly connected, the hop will be 0. For any router, any route which is directly connected, the hop will be 0. But any route which is directly connected to this network, and now it's sending, because this, if you see this one, if this router has the hop of 0, and he is telling to R1, look, I know 3.0, and I'm telling you that this network is connecting to my S01, and I'm sending you this update. So in future, if you want to communicate this network, your hop is 1. Mean this is just a 1 router away. So now what happened at the router 2? What is happening? Send an update about the 3.0 on the serial 0. So now we also receive the send the update 2's at 0 as well. Receive an update from R1. Store the network in the routing table metric, and you see right now R2 has discovered all the routes now. So now each router R1 and R2 and R3, they are sending this information to R2. He has actually completed his routing table. Now as you can see, R2 topology is totally converged, or they know all the network. They know 4 network, they know 1 network, and each router, each of these network are 1 hop away, and they know the serial interface as 0100. 00 is for the 1 network, and 001 is for the 4 network. The rest of the networks are directly connected. You don't need to know them, and that's why you can see the metric is 0. Now we also learned the 3 network, which is just 1 hop away. On the other side, we also need to learn the 2 network as well, with a 1 hop away. And similarly, send an update for 10.1.0.00. So you can see basically once you advertise these network into the routing protocol, they start discovering each other. Now the R1 routing table is completely updated, but you can see one thing, this network, there are 2 hops away. Because you can see it goes to R2, then it's R3. So this router is the hop, 2 hops away. Okay. The 3 network is learned through 1 hop away, because basically this router directly knows it. So basically once this network sends the update that this is my, if you want to reach to this network, there's a 1 hop away. This router say, oh, if this I can reach to 1 hop away, I am advertising to R1 that this router is the 2 hop away. So that is how OR2 is advertising to R1 and all these routers. And finally, what happened at some period of time after this, the topology table is totally converged. Okay. Now each of these guys will know each other. For example, 1.0